The Minerva Mills case, decided by the Supreme Court of India in 1980, stands as a landmark judgment that significantly shaped the landscape of constitutional law in our country. At the heart of this case was the tension between the Parliament's power to amend the Constitution and the fundamental rights guaranteed to citizens. The story begins with the amendments made to the Constitution in 42nd Amendment, which aimed to curtail the power of judicial review. This amendment was perceived as an attempt to undermine the Basic Structure Doctrine established in the Kesavananda Bharati case just a year earlier. The Basic Structure Doctrine asserts that certain fundamental features of the Constitution cannot be altered or destroyed by amendments. Minerva Mills, a textile company, found itself embroiled in this legal battle when the government decided to nationalize it. The company challenged the constitutional validity of the 42nd Amendment, arguing that it violated their fundamental rights under Articles 14, 19, and 21. The case raised critical issues about the balance of power between the legislature and the judiciary, and whether Parliament could amend the Constitution to the extent of infringing upon fundamental rights. As the case unfolded, the Supreme Court was tasked with addressing these profound questions. The court, led by Chief Justice Y.V. Chandrachud, delivered a powerful judgment that reaffirmed the supremacy of the Constitution. The court held that the amendments made by the 42nd Amendment were unconstitutional as they violated the basic structure of the Constitution. This decision reinforced the idea that the Constitution is not merely a document that can be altered at will, but a living framework that embodies the aspirations and rights of the people. The ruling emphasized that fundamental rights are not just privileges granted by the state, but are inherent to every citizen. The court articulated that the right to equality, the right to freedom, and the right to life and personal liberty are essential to the dignity of the individual. By striking down the provisions of the 42nd Amendment, the Supreme Court restored the balance of power, ensuring that the judiciary could act as a guardian of the Constitution against any arbitrary actions by the legislature. The Minerva Mills case is not just a legal milestone, it is a testament to the resilience of democracy in India. It serves as a reminder that the Constitution is a living document, meant to protect the rights of individuals against the might of the state. The judgment has had lasting implications, influencing subsequent cases and reinforcing the judiciary's role in upholding the rule of law. In conclusion, the Minerva Mills case is a critical chapter in India's constitutional history. It highlights the ongoing struggle to maintain the delicate balance between governmental power and individual rights, a struggle that continues to resonate in contemporary legal debates. The legacy of this case reminds us that the Constitution is not just a set of laws, it is the foundation of our democracy, safeguarding our freedoms and ensuring justice for all.